Yes, guys. Yesterday we spoke about Himalayas. Now we will talk about Great Plains. Great Plains. Okay. See this. Please write along with me. In front of Shivalix, in front of Shivalix, a geosyncline, a geosyncline was formed and sediments were deposited from Himalayas by Himalayan rivers and peninsula by peninsular rivers. From Shivalix, we observe yes, Sushmit. Today's geosyncline is formed after Shivalix was formed. Yes, Rajiv. From Shivalix, we observe Bhabar, Terai, Bangar, and Khadar. Because I want you to please elaborate these along with diagrams. We have seen this, correct? We have seen this already. Then you write below longitudinal division of planes. Longitudinal division of planes. Okay. First one is everyone look at here. Look at here, please. Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Assam, West Bengal. Okay. These parts are basically known as Ganga basins. These parts are basically known as Ganga basin. Have alluvial soils. See here, guys, everyone. Punjab, Haryana, Delhi. Okay. Punjab, Haryana, Delhi. This part is known as Sutlej Yamuna region. Everyone, you see Punjab, Haryana, Delhi. It is called as Sutlej Yamuna region. Okay. Everyone, can you see Haridwar, guys? Can you see Haridwar in Uttarakhand? Haridwar in Uttarakhand. Prayagraj. Prayagraj in UP. Haridwar to Prayagraj. Can you see? Everyone? That is called as Upper Ganga region. Haridwar to Prayagraj is called as Upper Ganga region. Then this. Everyone, can you see Prayagraj to Patna? Prayagraj to Patna. Can you see Middle Ganga? It is called. Prayagraj to Patna is called as Middle Ganga. Patna to Haldia is called Lower Ganga. Patna to Haldia is called Lower Ganga. Brahmaputra Valley is Assam. Assam comes under Brahmaputra Valley. Then Ganga, Brahmaputra, Meghna Delta. Ganga, Brahmaputra, Meghna Delta. That is your Sundarbans. Okay. I'll write this. Please write along with me. First. Sutlej Yamuna region. Which are the states which are part of Sutlej Yamuna region? Punjab, Haryana, and Delhi. Punjab, Haryana, Delhi. It is part of Sutlej Yamuna region. Second, you will have Upper Ganga region. Can you tell from where to where you have Upper Ganga region, guys? Upper Ganga region. You will have it from Haridwar to Prayagraj. Third, Middle Ganga region. Middle Ganga region. Prayagraj to Patna. Prayagraj to Patna. Lower Ganga region. Good ma'am. Patna to Haldia. Brahmaputra Valley. Assam. Ganga Brahmaputra, Meghna Delta. Sundarbans. Everyone, can you see West Bengal, we have made it part of Great Plains. Can you see entire West Bengal is part of Great Plains? Okay, guys, see guys, West Bengal is not part of coastal plains, guys. West Bengal is not part of coastal plains. But can you check, does West Bengal has coastline? Does West Bengal has coastline? Yes, but remember, West Bengal, even though it has coastline, can you tell the delta in West Bengal is formed by Himalayan rivers or peninsular rivers? Delta in West Bengal is formed by what? Himalayan rivers or peninsular rivers? Himalayan rivers. So that's why it is made under Great Plains only. Can I say entire Great Plains is made up of Himalayan rivers? That means mostly Himalayan rivers. That's why this is also kept under Himalayan rivers. Okay. Everyone see next. Next you see coastal plains, guys. Coastal plains. Okay. As India is a peninsula, we have coastal plains. If you can draw in exam, it's good, but you don't get these type of questions, guys. Mostly these are prelims oriented. Yeah. Guys, can you tell how many states are present? How many states are present in West Coast? West Coast. How many states are there? Aditya, yes, but still, it is always called as Ganga, Brahmaputra, Meghna. The reason for that is, can I say Hooghly is distributary of Ganga? Can I say Hooghly is distributary of Ganga? So like that it has split. That's why we call it as. No. Everyone, you see, Gujarat has bought Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Because Kanyakumari is part of Tamil Nadu. So west coast of India has 6 states. West coast of India has 6 states. Okay. Everyone, see here. Do you have like this dotted lines here? Everyone, check in your atlas. Do you have dotted lines there? And do they call it as Run of Kutch? Do they call it as Run of Kutch? Yes. See this. Once upon a time, Gujarat went into water. Okay. And now Gujarat has come out of water. Okay. Once upon a time, Gujarat had went into water. Now Gujarat has come out of water. So when it went into water, it is called as submergence. When it has come out, we call it as emergence. Okay. When it comes out, we call it as emergence. And guys, any land, if it goes into the water and if it comes out, can we say that it will have some salinity along with it? Can I say it will have some salinity along with it? Yes. So Run of Kutch is basically having salty marshes. salty marshes. Everyone see here, see here. Can you see this part? Is it Gulf of Kutch? Is it Gulf of Kutch? Yes. Guys, can you see, opening is broad. As you come inside, it is narrow. Opening is broad. As you come inside, it is narrow. Yes. Okay. You see here, guys. Everyone see here. If I have like this, if I keep my hands like this, water is coming through my hands. Guys, okay. Water is coming through my hands. Now suddenly I will close it. Suddenly I will close it. Okay. If I close, you tell me water keeps coming, and can I say water level increases, guys? If I close, can I say water level increases? So basically, guys, when tides come, and as land is like this, more water comes inside, and as it keeps coming inside, the water level increases. As it keeps coming inside, water level increases. Okay, so this region is extremely good for tidal energy. Gulf of Kutch region is extremely good for tidal energy. And guys, in this region, we have Kandla port. Can you check? You will have Kandla. Kandla will be there. Can you see? Okay. Everyone, please understand here. Kandla is a tidal port. Kandla is a tidal port. Whenever you have high tide, the ships will come. Whenever you have high tide, ships will go back. No, not low tide, high tide only. Low tide ships cannot go. Okay, done. You see this. Can you check this part, guys, everyone? Can you check this part? Do you have Kathiawar Peninsula? Do you have Kathiawar Peninsula? Gir Hills, everyone? Gir Hills. Have you heard Gir Lion? Yes. See, guys, Gir National Park, yes. That is present in this part. Okay. Everyone, can you check this part, guys? Gulf of Kambat. Can you check Gulf of Kambat? Yes. Okay. Can you check Narmada River flows into this? Narmada River flows into this. Tapi River flows into this. Mahi River flows into this. Sabarmati River flows into this. Can I say different rivers are entering into this region, guys? Can we say different rivers are entering into this region? Yes. Do they carry sediments along with them? Do they carry sediments along with them? Yes. Does this lead to Does this lead to huge sedimentary deposits? Huge sedimentary deposits. And guys, as you have huge sedimentary deposits in this particular part, oil and natural gas is also present in this region. Oil and natural gas is also present in this region. If you check this part, Mumbai High, can you see guys, petroleum reserves of fuels, natural gas? Can you check? In Atlas, separate map will be there. Ankaleshwar, Koyali. Can you check these parts, guys? Can you check these? Separate oil and natural gas map will be there, guys. Open that and see. Koyali. Yes, Sonal. Narmada, Tapi, little bit deltas are there, ma'am. But other rivers, they form estuaries only. Okay. Okay, guys. I'll give you the places you can search them at home as well. Everyone see here. See here. Maharashtra to Goa. Maharashtra to Goa is basically known as Konkan coast. Aniket, Ankaleshwar, Koyali are the places where oil and natural gas is present. Especially oil is present. Can you all see? Konkan coast is. Can you check? Konkan coast, beside Konkan coast, in India physical map, in this part, white patch will be more. Can you all see? White patch is more in that particular part. Yes. Ma'am, that is submerged, ma'am. White patch indicates continental shelf and it is submerged. The land has submerged. Even today, the land is submerged in this part. Konkan coast is submerged coast of India. Konkan coast is submerged coast of India. Everyone, can you see? Can you see from Karnataka to Kanyakumari? From Karnataka to Kanyakumari. That is called as Malabar coast. Malabar coast. But that is divided into two. Karnataka comes under Canara coast. Kerala comes under Malabar coast. Kerala comes under Malabar coast. Okay. See this. This is emerged coast, guys. Once upon a time, it went into water and today it is emerged coast. Can you people just check? Vembanad Lake, guys. Vembanad Lake. Kerala region, can you see Vembanad Lake? Everyone open Kerala map separately and check Vembanad Lake. Guys, that is called as Kayals, backwaters. That is called as Kayals or backwaters. Lake Vembanad will be there. Yes, Akshay. Sushmit, Konkan coast is submerged coast. Actually, entire west coast got submerged, but Gujarat coast came up, Malabar coast came up, Konkan coast is submerged even today. Backwaters, like in Kerala, lake is called as backwaters or kayals. Okay. You write this. I'll make you write each and every point because, it's very, very important. You write coastal plains. As India is a peninsula, it is surrounded by water on three sides, and we observe that there is coastal plains from Gujarat to Kanyakumari to form West Coastal Plain and from Kanyakumari to Subarnarekha River to form East Coastal Plains. To form East Coastal Plains. Next you write, guys. West Coastal Plains. It is in between Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. I'll move to next page, guys. Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. It is broader in the north and south and narrow in between. See guys, Gujarat is broader, Malabar coast is broader, Konkan coast is narrow. So as I told you, what happened, Kamalpal? Entire west coast submerged, but Gujarat coast and Malabar coast came up. Mumbai coast has not come up. Why and all we don't know this. Then guys, it is spread over 6 states and is divided into, the spread over 6 states and is divided into, first one, Gujarat coast, Gujarat coast, it extends from Run of Kutch till Gujarat, Maharashtra border. Gujarat Maharashtra border. It includes Run of Kutch, which is salty marshes and indicate emerged coast. Salty marshes and indicate emerged coast. Which one? Run of Kutch. In Gulf of Kutch, we observe that opening is wider and as we move inside, can I move? I'm writing slowly guys, you should be fast along with me. As we move inside, it would narrow, which lead to tide height increasing. this area observe highest tide in India and is good for tidal energy and is good for tidal energy. Kandla port in this region is tidal port. Kandla port in this region is tidal port. Okay. In Kathiawar Peninsula, we observe Gir ranges where Asiatic lion is present. Where Asiatic lion is present. Gulf of Kambat receives river deposits of Narmada, Tapi, Mahi and Sabarmati, and in this region we observe oil fields in Ankaleshwar and Koyali. Ankaleshwar and Koyali. Shall I move? Konkan coast. It is submerged coast and includes Maharashtra and Goa. It has some of the best natural ports. It has some of the best natural ports. This is the port. This is the port. I want a big ship to come. I want a big ship to come. Can I say here the ship can come easily, guys? But here, can I say it gets stuck? So what will I do? What will I do? I will cut this region, guys. I will cut this region. Now you tell, when we cut the region, can I say the ship will automatically come till here? Whenever we cut, it becomes artificial port. When we don't cut, it will be natural port. Do you understand the difference? Artificial port and natural port. Yes. They will do dredging. People will go inside, drill and remove it. It is called dredging. Chennai port is artificial port. Shall I move, guys? Yes, Aditya. Third, guys. Malabar coast. It is emerged coast. It includes Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Backwaters or kayals are characteristic feature of Malabar coast. Example, Vembanad Kayal. That means it is the dominant feature list. Basically, what happened when what do you call as Kerala went into water? That is like West Coast went into water and it has come out. So what happens? There are a lot of salt waters are present, and backwater itself I'm telling. So basically, have you heard in water they would have constructed houses, guys. People will basically go in boat from one house to another house. When they have to come out also, they will be staying in the boats. So that entire area will be covered with waters. But you can construct houses on the water and you can stay there. Very good for fishing. Yes, such things are present. Such things are present in Sushmit. A small land will be there. A small land will be there. Not open to the ocean directly. Okay. Konkan coast ports are Mumbai, Navi Mumbai. Mumbai, Navi Mumbai. Yes, Abhishek. Karnataka coast is also known as Canara coast or Kannada coast. Have you heard about Canara Bank? Saminder, Kerala. In Kerala, it is there. Okay. Shall we move, guys? See, guys, everyone. Please open your atlas. Please open your atlas. Yeah. You see Kanyakumari. Can you see Krishna River? Everyone? Kanyakumari to Krishna River. This is called Coromandel Coast. Coromandel Coast. Can you see Pulicat Lake here? At the border of Andhra and Tamil Nadu, do you have Pulicat Lake? In between of West Coast, no? West Coast. That is okay. Can you see beside Pulicat Lake? Do you have Sri Harikota? Beside Pulicat Lake, do you have Sri Harikota? Everyone, do you have Sri Harikota? Yes. Can you check near Tamil Nadu? Ma'am, you have to open separately, ma'am. You can't see like this. You have to open Andhra, Tamil Nadu border, southern map and then check. Everyone, can you see this? Can you see this, guys? Rameshwaram. Rameshwaram. Is it given there? Yes, this is my Coromandel coast. This is my Coromandel coast. It is emerged coast. No. Kayals are only in Malabar coast. Okay. Can you see here, guys? Can you see here? Andhra Pradesh map separately you open. Do you check a river by name? Vamshadhara. Do you check a river by name? Vamshadhara. Please check Andhra Odisha border is Vamshadhara. That part is called Andhra coast. Andhra coast. Yes. People from Andhra Pradesh will be aware. Srikakulam. Okay. Everyone. Can you see Kolleru Lake there, guys? Can you see Kolleru Lake? Krishna Godavari in between. Can you see Kolleru Lake? It's a freshwater lake. It is a freshwater lake. Okay. Then can you all check here? It's fine if you are not finding this. That's fine. Can you see here, guys? Subarna Rekha River. Odisha, West Bengal border. Can you see Subarna Rekha River? Do you recollect I told you this as Utkal coast? Did I tell you people about Utkal? Subarna Rekha will be there in all the maps. At least can you see Chilka Lake? At least can you see Chilka Lake? Okay. Can you write? East coastal plains. Those who did not find after class, type them in Google, identify and mark in your plain maps. East coastal plains. They are completely emerged coasts. They're completely emerged coast. They extend from Kanyakumari to Subarnarekha. Saminder, Gujarat is one. Konkan, you have two. Maharashtra, Goa. Okay. Malabar, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. So 6 states. Yes, ma'am. They extend from Kanyakumari to Subarnarekha. they are divided into Coromandel Coast. Coromandel Coast. It extends from Kanyakumari to Krishna River. It extends from Kanyakumari to Krishna River. Chennai port, Ennore port is artificial port. Then guys, Pulicat Lake, Sriharikota, Pulicat Lake, Sriharikota, Rameshwaram, Kachativu. This is disputed now, guys. Kachativu Island are part of this region. Part of this region. Shall I move? Northern Sarkars. Northern Sarkars. Kachativu is part of India, guys. We are fighting it back. So, Northern Sarkars. It extends from Krishna River to Subarnareka River. It is split into Andhra coast from Krishna River to Vamshadhara, from Vamshadhara to Subarna Rekha. Actually, that part, Saminder, that part was taken by Britishers after Battle of Plassey. Done, guys? Next, fourth one is peninsular plateaus. Peninsular plateau. Everyone, can you check here, guys? Check here. Aravallis. Aravallis. Aravallis to Kanyakumaris. No Neelanjana, don't worry. Aravallis to Kanyakumari. Till Meghalaya. Aravallis to Kanyakumari till Meghalaya. This triangular plateau is basically known as what? Peninsular plateaus. This triangular plateau is basically known as peninsular plateau. You see this? Can you see Vindhyas and Satpuras, guys? Everyone? Can you see Vindhyas and Satpuras? Above this region is called as Central Highlands. Above this region is called as Central Island. This part is called as Meghalaya Plateau. Okay, Meghalaya Plateau. And this part is your Deccan Plateau regions. So, I am dividing peninsular plateau into three parts. Central Islands, Meghalaya Plateau, Deccan Plateau. Everyone, can you see Aravallis and tell me it passes through how many states and union territories? Aravallis passes through how many states and union territories? No. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi. 3 states and 1 union territory. Good. Can you all check? No, only this much. Can you all check Mount Guru Shikhar? Can you check Mount Guru Shikhar? Yes. It is the highest peak of Aravallis. It is the highest peak of Aravallis. Okay. Can you see Sabarmati river flowing from this region? Sabarmati river flowing from this region? Yes. Can you check Luni river flowing from this region and entering into Rann of Kutch? Luni river flowing from this region entering into Rann of Kutch, everyone? Yes. This side, everyone, can you check Banas river will be there? Can you see Aravallis properly? Banas river will be there. Banas river joins Chambal river. Banas river joins Chambal river. No. You see, Banas river joins Chambal. Chambal will join Yamuna. Yamuna will join, Ganga. Can I say one river is flowing into Bay of Bengal? Another river is flowing into Arabian Sea. One river is flowing into Bay of Bengal. Another river is flowing into this. It is called water divide. It is called water divide. Okay. Can you people check here? Do you have Malwa Plateau? Everyone? Can you see, do you have Malwa Plateau? Malwa Plateau. Can you check here Bundelkhand Plateau? Bundelkhand. Guys, Bundelkhand is second driest region of India, guys. It's very dry. Have you heard India is planning for Ken Betwa interlinking? Ken Betwa. Can you see there only you will find 2 rivers, Ken and Betwa, Bundelkhand region. Ken and Betwa. First interstate interlinking project now. Interstate interlinking project. Can you all check here, guys? Can you all check here Bagelkhand? Bundelkhand, Malwa, Bundelkhand, Bagelkhand. Can you all check? See names at least, guys. See names at least. Okay. Arumita, you didn't find Malwa? Kaimur Hills, correct. Yes. You found Bundelkhand? Ma'am, are you seeing physical map of India? If these are not found, please check, ma'am, because these are very important places. Check in the map and then try to mark. Everyone, Can you see here, guys? Can you see here? Chota Nagpur Plateau. Chota Nagpur Plateau. Yes. Guys, this is called as resource bowl of India. Chota Nagpur Plateau is called as resource bowl of India because almost all the resources are found in this particular part. It is known as resource bowl of India because almost all the resources are found in this region. Okay, everyone, do you get this? Then this. Can you see within Chota Nagpur Plateau? Do you have Hazaribagh Plateau, Hazaribagh Plateau, Ranchi Plateau? At least can you see Ranchi? Guys, can you see? Can you see Son River flowing northward? Son River, is it flowing northward? Yeah. Can you see Damodar River flowing eastward? Damodar River flowing eastward. Can you see Subarna Rekha River flowing downward? Yeah. Can I say, you have a plateau, and from there, all the rivers are flowing in all the directions. Do you agree? Rivers are flowing in different directions. Good, Ravi. Can I call it as radial pattern? What is radial pattern? If river flows from, like, one mountain or a plateau on all the sides, it is called as radial pattern. Chota Nagpur Plateau shows radial pattern. Everyone here, can you see Chambal flowing northwards? Chambal flowing northwards. Ken, Betwa, all these are tributaries of Ganga. Yamuna, all these are tributaries of Yamuna, and Yamuna is tributary of Ganga. Guys, remember, in South India, rivers will flow like this. When rivers flow from west to east, the meaning is slope is from west to east. If rivers flow from south to north, slope is from south to north. Okay. Everyone, right? Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau. It is triangular plateau which extends from Aravallis to Meghalaya till Kanyakumari. Till Kanyakumari. It is oldest plateau of India, which was part of Gondwana land. Due to endogenetic forces it has undergone folds and faults. Saminder, we did this in geomorphology. Forces which occur inside the earth. It is divided into central highlands, it extends from Aravallis to Chota Nagpur Plateau and it is above Vindhyas and below Great Plains. Aravallis. It spreads over 3 states and union territory: Rajasthan, Gujarat, Haryana, and Delhi. It is Old Fold Mountain or Relict Mountain or Residual Mountain. Guys, Relict Mountain means after endogenetic and exogenetic forces, whatever is left out is called as Relict Mountain, Residual Mountain. It is made up of limestone and dolomite. Limestone and dolomite. Shall I move? Dolomite is a type of rock, sedimentary rock. Banas River originates and flows towards Chambal and similarly and similarly Luni River originates and enter into run of Kutch and Sabarmati River enters into Gulf of Kambat. So it acts as water divide. Mount Guru Shikhar is the highest peak of Aravallis. Done, guys? Next, in Central Islands, we observe Malwa Plateau, Mewar Plateau. I want you to search each one at home, guys. Bundelkhand Plateau, Bhagelkhand Plateau, which has some flood basalt flow and black soil. Aniket, rainfall. Rainfall is responsible for rivers originating. Okay. You're right, guys. On the eastern side, we observe Chota Nagpur Plateau, it is known as resource bowl of India because almost all the resources are present in this region. Almost all the resources are present in this region. Chota Nagpur Plateau has huge reserves of iron ore and it has red soil. Different rivers flow in different directions, like Subarna Rekha flows northward. Damodar flows eastward. Sorry. Subarna Rekha flows southeastward. Damodar flows eastward. Son River flows northward. In Chota Nagpur Plateau, there is Raj Mahal Hills. Can you all find Raj Mahal Hills? Where Ganga River splits into Hooghly and Padma. Okay. Okay. We'll meet at 6:50. Yes, I'll be taking a additional classes, yes, and I'll complete them. Don't worry. Everyone, can you see here Meghalaya Plateau? No. Aditya, Banas flows eastward, Chambal flows northward. Can you all check this? Meghalaya Plateau. Everyone? Do you have Garo, Kasi, Jaintia, Mikir Rengma? Actually, guys, this is Chota Nagpur Plateau region, and this is Meghalaya Plateau region, guys. Once upon a time, they were together. Now both of them are broken, and they are broken by a gap called as Malda Gap. They are broken by a gap called as Malda Gap. Okay. So the Meghalaya Plateau extends till Karbi Anglong Plateaus. Bangladesh is completely plain areas. Yeah. The gap is called Malda Gap. Basically, during the formation of Himalayas, it is said that the gap came this extension of Chota Nagpur Plateau. Yes, you're right. Meghalaya Plateau or Northeastern Plateau. It is eastward extension of eastward extension of Chota Nagpur Plateau. Eastward extension of Chota Nagpur Plateau. And during the formation of Himalayas, Malda Gap separated them. It includes Meghalaya and Karbi Anglong region. Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, Mikir, Rengma are important hills. Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, Mikir, Rengma are important hills. They have similar composition as Chota Nagpur Plateau. Done, guys? Karbi Anglong is a region, guys. Okay. It is extension of Meghalaya Plateau, where Naga communities are there. Everyone, can you see Western Ghats, guys? Everyone, Western Ghats, can you all check? Guys, Western Ghats are block mountains, guys. Block mountains. It is formed when India got separated from Africa. It is mostly made up of igneous rock, so it is hard rock. And western side is steep slope, eastern side is gentle. Western side is steep slope, eastern side is gentle. So here we basically observe that as it has steep slope, it tries to rise quickly. As it rises quickly, more rainfall will occur. As it rises quickly, more rainfall will occur. Okay. Can you check below this? Cardamom, Annamalai. Can you all check? Cardamom at the bottom. Annamalai Hills. In that, can you people see Anaimudi? Anaimudi. Guys, Anaimudi is the highest mountain peak of Peninsular Plateaus. Anaimudi. In Annamalai, can you see Anaimudi? Highest mountain peak of entire Peninsular Plateau. Can you all check Dodda Betta? Can you all check Dodda Betta? Above Anaimudi, do you have Dodda Betta? Above that, do you have Mahabaleshwar? In Maharashtra, do you have Mahabaleshwar? Guys, can you tell? I'll tell the other way around. Can I say the southern part of Western Ghats is taller, and as we move northward, it becomes shorter? Do you agree? The height of Western Ghats decreases from south to north. Okay. Then this. Can you see Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri originating? Can you see Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri originating and flowing towards Bay of Bengal? And can you see some rivers flow towards Arabian Sea? Some rivers flow towards Arabian Sea. Can we call it as water divide? Can we call it as water divide? Yes. Guys, Western Ghats is taller and it is hard to cut. So gaps are less. Whereas Eastern Ghats is shorter, and it is easy to cut. I'll come to Eastern Ghats, guys. Before that, first write third, Deccan Plateau. It is in between Vindhyas and Satpuras in the north, Western Ghats in the west, and Eastern Ghats in east. Western Ghats. It is spread over 6 states. Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Western Ghats, it is block mountain formed due to divergence between Africa and India. It is steeper on the western side and gentler on the eastern side, steeper on the western side, gentler on the eastern side. I'll move, guys. As it is steeper on the western side, clouds raise violently and give very heavy rainfall. It is made up of hard rocks and are difficult to erode. It is almost continuous with very few gaps like Palghat Gap. The height of Western Ghats increases from south to north. Shall I move? Increase. Yeah. I'm sorry. Increases from north to south. Anaimudi is the highest mountain peak. In exam, based on the question, these are all about factual data where 2 points are not interlinking. That's why we use this. Okay. Anaimudi is the highest mountain peak in the regions. Rivers flow towards Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. So it acts as water divide. Annamalai and cardamom are part of Western Ghats. Western Ghats. Cardamom is the southernmost hills of India. Done, guys? Kamalpal Mahendragiri comes on the eastern side. Samiksha, actually, Anaimudi is highest, ma'am, which is in the south. But as I come north side, okay, that is Doddabetta, Mahabaleshwar and all, height decreases. So if I say Western Ghats height decreases from south to north, or height increases from north to south. Okay. Aditya, Narmada Tapi originate Amarkantak. It flows westward, no? Everyone, can you see Eastern Ghats, guys? Facts, guys, which mountain is where, which river is where, they'll ask you. Everyone, can you see here? Javadi Hills, Chevroi Hills. Can you see Javadi, Chevroi? Just remember, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at Nilgiris. Nilgiris. Can you all check here? Seshachalam. Seshachalam. Andhra Pradesh region. Seshachalam. Can you see Nallamala? Nallamala. Yerramala. Yerramala. Nallamala, Erramala. Can you see Mahendragiri? Can you see Mahendragiri? Odisha region, you check this. Mahendragiri. You right, guys? Don't worry if you don't find this. It's fine. Eastern Ghats. They are made up of soft rocks and are easy to erode. They are made up of soft rocks and are easy to erode. So, gaps are more. Height of Western Ghats is more than Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at Nilgiris. Jindagada in Andhra Pradesh is the highest peak. This is newly found, guys. NCRT says Mahendragiri, but it is old information. Jindagada in Andhra Pradesh is the highest peak. Vamshadhara, Nagavalli rivers originate in Eastern Ghats. Some of the hills are Javadi, Shevaroy, Palakunda, Nallamala. Guys, please, guys, you will not see everyone. So, sorry, every island, every mountain. I want you to check them in the maps and mark it. Seshachalam, Armakunda, Espuja, Mahendragiri, Niyamgiri. Okay. These are all different hills that are present in that particular part. Everyone, can you see this, guys? Can you see this? This part is your Deccan Plateau. In this, can I say this part will have black soil, guys, and this part will have red and yellow soil? Correct? Everyone, do you remember this? Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau. Black soil, red and yellow soil. You write below. Deccan Plateau region. It is in between Vindhyas, Western Ghats, and Eastern Ghats. It is divided into Deccan Plateau and Deccan Interior. Maharashtra, North Karnataka, Telangana is part of Deccan Plateau, and here we observe flood basalt. Here we observe flood basalt. Northwestern side flood basalt is more, and reduces eastern side. Northwestern side flood basalt is more and reduces eastern side. Yes, Sushmita. So rivers flow from west to east along the slope. Deccan interior includes southern Karnataka, southern Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu region. Here ferrous minerals are there, which leads to red and yellow soil. Done, guys? Everyone, I want you to write note. Some hills in central India are, okay, I am going to write some hills. In exam, if they ask you any one of this hill, you should tell it is in central India. Okay. Can you people open once, guys? Can you people open once? Below Vindhyas and Satpuras, can you check Satmala? Can you check Satmala? Do you have Ajanta Hills? Ajanta Hills. Do you have Harishchandra ranges? Harishchandra. Balagat. Satmala, Ajanta, Harishchandra, Balagat. Do you have, everyone? Kaimur, Mahadiyo, Maikala, Garjat, Ramgad, Gawaligarh, Mahadiyom. Yeah, Sonal. Sushmit, same part of that one. Gawaligarh. But if they give any name of this, you should say they are in central India. If they give any name of this, you should say they are in central India. Okay. Done, everyone? Guys, we will see the last one, islands. Guys. Islands. Open Asia map and check Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar. Asia map I want you to see. Everyone? Can you see Andaman and Nicobar is southern extension of Arakan Yoma? Can you see, guys? It is southern extension of Arakan Yoma. Okay, good. Everyone see and tell. Do you have open separately, guys? Andaman and Nicobar, are you open? Andaman and Nicobar separately, not in India map also. You will have separately Andaman and Nicobar. Please open it. Can you see Coco Islands? Can you see Coco Islands, part of Myanmar? Yes. Below that, do you have Coco Channel? Below that, do you have Coco Channel? Below that, do you have North Andaman, guys? Everyone? Do you have North Andaman? See, guys, in North Andaman, you have Saddle Peak, guys. Saddle Peak. That is the highest peak of Andaman and Nicobar, guys. Saddle Peak is the highest peak of Andaman and Nicobar. No, ma'am. Sonal, it is different. Okay. In some atlas, Saddle Peak will be there. In some, it won't be there. Can you see Middle Andaman, guys? Everyone? Can you see Middle Andaman? Eastern side of Middle Andaman. Can you people check? Can you people check for Barren Islands, guys? Barren Islands. Eastern side of Middle Andaman. Can you look for Barren Islands? Yeah, it is the only active volcano of India. It is the only active volcano of India. Below that, can you see South Andaman? South Andaman. In South Andaman, you have Port Blair. Correct, guys? Do you have Port Blair? Yes. Everyone, in notes. Can you write islands below that Andaman and Nicobar? And can you write this first? You write islands below that Andaman and Nicobar. And please write this down. No, ma'am. Ankita, no. Okay. Everyone, below that, can you check Duncan Passage, guys? Duncan Passage. Can you all check? Duncan Passage. Below Middle Andaman, South Andaman, can you see Duncan Passage? Below Duncan Passage, do you have Little Andaman? Little Andaman. Yes. Guys, can you see this side, guys? Can you see South Sentinel? North Sentinel, South Sentinel. Can you all see? In this you have Sentinelese people, guys. Sentinelese people are there. Can you see 10-degree channel? 10-degree channel. Below that, do you have Little Nicobar, guys? Little Nicobar. Car Nicobar. Great Nicobar. Do you have? Little Nicobar, Car Nicobar, Great Nicobar. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Car Nicobar, Little Nicobar, Great Nicobar. In Great Nicobar, can you see Indira Point? Can you write this, guys? Can you write this? Biosphere reserves. Aditya, Biosphere Reserve. Shall I move? Andaman and Nicobar is a group of 836 islands which are submerged extension of Arakan Yoma. Submerged extension of Arakan Yoma. Andaman and Nicobar is separated by 150 kilometer wide 10-degree channel. Port Blair is the capital and largest city. Thirty-one islands are inhabited. People are present only in 31 islands. It is divided into 3 districts. Shall I move? It is divided into 3 districts. Kennedy, please check which is above, which is below. Okay. It is divided into 3 districts. Nicobar district, with Car Nicobar as capital. South Andaman district, with Port Blair as capital. North and Middle Andaman district, with Maya Bandar as capital. Saddle Peak is highest in North Andaman. Jareva, Onjay, Shompen, Jareva, Onjay, Shompen, Andamanese, Nicobarese are tribes. Guys, remember, there are only 7 people present in Shompen community, and for the first time in 75 years, they voted this time. Yes. Yes. Done, guys? Yeah. There's another one, Sentinelese. I'm sorry. Sentinelese is another one. Okay. Yes, can we? Yes, Chanchal. Can we see Lakshadweep, guys? Lakshadweep. Guys, can you all check Lakshadweep separately? Do you have Amin Divi? Can you check for Amin Divi? Yes. Below that, do you have Lakshadweep? You will have Minicoy. Yeah. Can you see Cananore, guys? If not Lakshadweep, can you see Cananore? See, yes, Amin Divi Lakshadweep is separated by 11-degree channel, guys. Lakshadweep and Minicoy is separated by 9-degree channel. And guys, please understand, Lakshadweep is completely made up of atolls. Below Minicoy, you have 8-degree channel. This you must by heart, guys. This completely you must by heart. Okay. Shall we write? Yeah. At least can you see Cananore? Cananore? Ankita, coral deposit is atoll. Actually, you have coral reefs, guys. When they deposit, it comes like this. Just check atolls one in images, guys. Like, images. Everyone, please write. It is a group of 36 islands. Yes, Samiksha, all are not there, don't worry. 36 islands. It is divided into Amin Divi, Lakshadweep, and Minicoy. Kavaratti is capital. Androt is largest city. Yeah, Dinesh, please. Like, those who do not find, I want you to check it. Lakshadweep, Maldives, Chagos Archipelago are group of islands present one below the other. See guys, on top you will have Lakshadweep, below Lakshadweep you will have Maldives, below Maldives you will have Chagos Archipelago. These are the three you will have. Okay. Archipelago means group of islands. Group of islands is called as archipelago. Yeah. Vinay, Shom Pen is a community where only 7 people are there. Shom Pen is a community where only 7 people are there. And they came for voting recently. Done, everyone? If you are done, I'll give you some facts. You check, you write this. Archipelago means group of islands. Okay. Group of islands is called archipelago. Everyone, in Brahmaputra river, Majuli Island is world's largest inhabited riverine island. Yes, Kamal Pal. Yes, world's largest riverine island is Majuli. Peacock Island and Umananda are world's smallest island. Statue of Unity in Gujarat is present over Sadhu Bet in Narmada river, guys. Alia Bet is largest in Narmada. Because whenever a river flows, some sand may accumulate to form an island. That is also Assam. Both are in Assam. Bet is an island, riverine island, river deposited island. In Narmada river, the largest riverine island is Alia Bet, Sadhu Bet. Yeah, Alia Bet is a riverine island. Guys, this is India's physiography, guys. Ninth standard and 11th standard, India physical geography, you have this. Tomorrow I will take drainage system. I will cover India physical. Economic geography will be there, and also oceanography will be there, which I will be covering by taking some additional classes. As of now, by tomorrow, we will try to complete drainage systems and patterns. Thank you.